Today we are discussing about application of de Moivre's theorem or using de Moivre's theorem finding the square roots or other roots. So the instruction for this question is using de Moivre's theorem find the square root of the following. And problem number 1, the question is 4 plus 4 root 3i. We have given this, we have to find the square root using de Moivre's theorem. Okay, the solution for this question. First, here we have given 4 plus 4 root 3i, and suppose let z equal 4 plus 4 root 3i equal x plus y it will be comparable to iy. So x equal 4, y equal 4 root 3, then r equal under root x square plus y square equal 4 square plus 4 root 3 whole square whole under root equal, we can find 8 by calculation. 3 16 3 is 48 plus 16 64, root under 64 is 8. Then we have to find tan theta equal y over x equal 4 root 3 by 4 equal to root 3. Therefore theta equals 60 degree. So in general polar form, we can express in general polar form, that is represented by zk equal r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree. This is the general polar form. Then this is general polar form in zk, that is k is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, we will apply later one. In general polar form we can express in this way. General solution, while finding general solution, k times that degree, that 2 pi, we can express inverse circular function, also we can apply this. Then we have to find the square root. Then square root of zk, we have to find the square root of this, that is root zk equal zk to the power 1 by 2 equal whole, that r is what we can express 8, then cos, what is theta is 60 plus k times 360 degree plus I sin 60 plus k times 360 degree whole power 1 by 2. If zk is this, then z to the power 1 by 2 is whole this to the power 1 by 2. Now we can apply de Moivre's theorem. Now using de Moivre's theorem, that de Moivre's theorem simply, this is 8 to the power, yes, 8 to the power 1 by 2, r to the power 1 by 2, that is and cos n theta, this is theta, this is n, so 60 plus k times 360 by 2, because 1 by 2 n theta, n is 1 by 2, that's why whole this by 2, plus I sine 60 plus k times 360 by 2, we obtain this equal a to the power 1 by 2 is a to the power 1 by 2 is 2 root 2 times uh, cos 60 plus k times 360 by 2 plus I sine 60 plus k times 360 by 2. We obtain this, but still we didn't get the square root of that. Yeah, so for the square root, for the square root put k equal 0 and 1, 0 and 1 we have to put, then when k equal to 0, z naught, z naught equal z to the power 1 by 2, yes, is 2 root 2 times, this will be 0, 60 by 2 is cos 30 degree plus I sine in the same way 30 degree equal 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 30 of cos is root 3 by 2 plus I times sine 30 is 1 by 2, and what we obtain, then 2 and 2 cancel, root 2 and root 3 is root 6 plus I 2 cancel root 2, and when k equal to 1, z1 equal 2 root 2 and cos, if k is 1 then 360 and 60 is 420, 420 by 2 is 100, 420 divided by 2 is 210 degree, 210 plus I sine 210, here in k you can put 1, then it will be 2 root 2 times minus root 3 by 2 minus I 1 by 2 equal to cancel minus root 6 plus minus minus I root 2 minus, yeah, I root 2, and while taking minus common root 6 plus I root 2, then the required roots are, therefore the required roots are plus minus root 6 plus I root 2, this is minus, this is plus, so we can express the square root of z, we have supposed that is z, and square root of z is plus minus root 6 plus I root 2. Now the same instruction, problem number 2. Problem number 2 is using de Moivre's theorem, find the square root of. Here also we have to find the square root. We need to find square root. To find square root, the question is minus 2 root 3i. We have given this. We have to find the square root using de Moivre's theorem. And solution. Here firstly we have given minus 2 root 3. Suppose let z equal minus 2 root 3 I equal x plus iy, then x equal minus 2 and y equal minus 2 root 3. Then what is r? That is root under x square plus y square, that is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 whole square whole under root equal to square is 4 plus 3 to the 4 3 the 48. No, 2 root 3, yeah, 3 2 to the 4 3 the 12, sorry, 12. This is root under 16 equal to 4, and tan theta equal y over x equal, what is y? Minus 2 root 3 by minus 2 equal to root 3. Therefore theta equal 240 degree. This is very important part here, students. Yes, I mentioned you earlier, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, both x and y are negative here, but we find the value root 3, but both coordinates are negative, that's the angle lies on the third quadrant. This is 30 degree, 108, sorry, 60 degree, 180 plus 60 equal 240 degree. So you have to write theta is 240 degree. In general, students will write just 60 degree, then they will get the wrong answer, because you need to check whether the sign of x and y are positive, negative, x negative or y positive. So in the angle lies on the third quadrant. Third quadrant, to find the angle we have to add 180 plus 60 degree, that becomes 240 degree. If you directly observe here, tan theta is root 3, that's why theta is 60 degree, you will write that, but you need to check the coordinates or the sign of the x and y. So this is very very important question. Student will repeat the mistake at this point. So now we have to move, in general polar form, zk, we can suppose zk equal r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree. This is the general polar form. Then general polar form, then we know that we have to find the square root. So we have to find the square root. Now square root of zk, that is root under zk equal zk to the power 1 by 2 equal, well, this is 1 by 2, you have to write r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree to the power 1 by 2. This is the pattern of this. Then using de Moivre's theorem, zk to the power 1 by 2 equal, here you can apply r to the power 1 by 2 cos theta plus k times 360 by 2 plus I sin theta plus k times 360 by 2 equal r means what is r? 4 to the power 1 by 2 cos theta is what? That is 240 degree plus k times 360 degree by 2 plus I sine 240 degree plus k times 360 degree by 2 bracket close. Then it will be, we can simplify this to 4 to the power 1 by 2 is 2 times cos 240 plus k times 360 by 2 plus I sine 240 plus k 360 degree by 2. Now after finding this, for square root, for the square root, put k equal 0 and 1, then z0 square root of z0, that is that 2, if that is 0, 240 divided by 2 cos 120 plus I sine 120 degree equal 2 times minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, sorry, root 3 by 2 I equal minus 1 plus I root 3 first, and z1 equal 2 times, if 1, k times 360 is 360 plus 240 is 600 by 2 is 300 cos 300 degree plus I sine 300 degree equal 2 times 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2, 300 degrees, so sine negative, cos positive. That's why 2 is 1 minus I root 3, or minus common 1 minus 1 plus I root 3, because to develop the same pattern, but otherwise it's okay also, no doubt. Therefore the required roots are plus minus 1 plus I root 3 answer. In this way we can find the square root using de Moivre's theorem. Now we have to move to the next question, finding the q root of minus 1. Finding the q root of minus 1. Let's move to the next question. Problem number 3. The instruction is find the cube roots of minus 1. Now after solving two questions or finding square root of two questions, we have to find the cube root of minus 1. Now the solution for this question, here we have given minus 1. Let z equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 0 I, we can suppose, equal x plus iy. Then comparing this, x is minus 1 and y equal to 0, therefore r equal root under x square plus y square equal minus 1 square plus 0 square equal to 1. Tan theta equal y over x equal 0 by minus 1 equal to 0, therefore theta equal 180 degree. Why? You may have question, why 0? Tan 0 is 0, but how it is? Because the value of x coordinates is negative, y is 0, that's why the angle is 180 degree. That's why this is also important question. Now after finding all this procedure, now in general polar form, in general polar form, we can express zk equal to r cos theta plus k 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k 360 degree. This is general polar form. Then cube root of zk is, we have to find the cube root of zk. That's why it is cube root of zk equal zk to the power 1 by 3 equal whole this power is 1 by 3 r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin 0 plus k times 360 degree whole power 1 by 3. Now using de Moivre's theorem, you can express that that is r to the power 1 by 3 cos theta plus k times 360 degree by 3 plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree by 3. Then you can put zk 1 by 3. R, what is R? We find R is 1 to the power, this is gone. Then theta is 180 degree. Simply you can write cos 180 degree plus k times 360 by 3 plus I times sin 180 plus k times 360 degree by 3. We obtain this result. And for the cube roots, okay, for the cube roots, put k equal 0, 1 and 2. Then z0 1/3 equal power 1/3 equal cos 180 by, this will be 0, 180 by 3 is 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree equal cos 60 degree 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, or 1 by 2 common, 1 plus I root 3, and z1 equal here k is 1, 360 plus 180, 540, 540 divided by 3, 180 degree. Yes, so cos 180 degree plus I sin 180 degree equal cos 180 degree is -1 plus I 0 equal to -1. And next z2 1 by 3 equal 360 to the 720, 720 and 180 is 900 divided by 3 is 300. So you can write cos 300 degree plus I sin 300 degree equal 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 equal 1 by 2 common 1 minus I root 3. Sorry. Therefore the required roots are, one is -1 and another is 1 plus minus here I root 3 by 2, or 1 by 2 plus minus, because here minus, yes plus, just 3 roots are there. So in this way we can find the cube roots of -1. Next instruction is solve the following. Solve the following. That this is problem number 4. Z6 equal 1 given. It is also very important question. So we have to solve this. Z is sixth root of 1. So in that way we have to think. Anyway, solution. We have given here, we have given z to the power 6 equal to 1 equal 1 plus 0i equal x plus iy. Say we suppose this, therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 0, r equal root under x square plus y square, 1 square plus 0 square under root 1, and tan theta, that is y by x, 0 by 1 equal infinite, 0 by something is 0, then both are positive, that's why theta equals 0 degree, no doubt. Then in general polar form, that zk to the power 6 equal r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree. Then just simply zk equal r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree whole power 1 by 6, means raising power 1 by 6 on both side like that, or it goes to by making this form. Okay, that's zk only equal to this. Then using de Moivre's theorem, zk equal r to the power 1 by 6 times cos theta plus k times 360 degree by 6 plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree by 6, because that is n. After that r is what we obtain 1 to the power 1 by 6 is gone. Cos theta is what, 0 times k 360 by 6, that is cos list form 6 360 can be cancelled, theta is 0, 6 tk, yes, k times 60 degree plus I sin k times 60 degree we obtain. Yeah, the r is 1, that's why this is the simplest form. Okay, now for the required roots put k equal 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, because 6 roots we have to find as the power is 6. That's why z not equal z not is what, z not is just putting 0, cos 0 and sin 0, that becomes cos 0 plus I sin 0 degree equal to 1. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Then move to z1. z1 is cos 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree equal cos 61 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. Then move to z2 equal 60 to the 120 cos 120 degree plus I sin 120 degree equal cos 120 minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, and z3 equal 63 to 180 cos 180 degree plus I sin 180 degree equal 180 degree cos sin this 0 cos is minus 1, and then z4 we can find z4 6 4 is 240, so cos 240 degree plus I sin 240 degree equal cos 241 minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, and then z5 equal 565 the 300, so cos 300 degree plus I sin 300 degree equal 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 roots we find. Now combining them or concluding them, therefore the required roots are, what are the required roots? This and this plus minus 1, and if we compare these two, if minus is common here, plus minus, shall we write? Yes, or here plus minus, here also plus minus, 1 by 2 minus 1 plus minus root 3I, and 1 by 2 1 plus minus I root 3, or simply you can copy all these roots and you can write. If you have confusion to convert in this form, in this way we find the solution of this problem. Now finally we have to move to our last question. Very interesting question. The next question, that is also solve. The instruction is solve the problem number 5, zq equal 8I. We have given this. Now the solution for this question, here we have given z cube equal 8I can be expressed as 0 plus 8I is x plus iy, we have to suppose. Then x equal to 0, y equal to 8, therefore r equal root under x square plus y square equal 0 square plus 8 square under root equal to 8. Tan theta equal y over x equal 8 over 0 equal to infinitive, or that's why theta equal to 98, both are positive. Now in general polar form, zk cube equal, that is r cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree. This is the general polar form. Then this is general polar form. Then therefore z only k equal raising power 1 by 3 on both sides, r that cos theta plus k times 360 degree plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree plus and whole power 1 by 3, whole power 1 by 3. Now here we can use de Moivre's theorem. Using de Moivre's theorem, using de Moivre's theorem. What's the value of zk equal r to the power 1 by 3 times cos theta plus k times 360 degree by 3 plus I sin theta plus k times 360 degree by 3. Yes, closed. Then we can uh, simplify it. R is what? We obtain 8. 8 to the power 1 by 3. Then cos, what is theta? That is 90 degree plus k times 360 degree by 3 plus I sin 90 plus k times 360 degree by 3. We close this. 8 to the power 1/3 is 2 simply. Then this is cos 90 plus k times 360 degree by 3 plus I sin 90 degree plus k times 360 degree by 3. Then this is 3. Then for the required roots we have to put this cube root like that. So k equal to 0, 1 and 2. So first find z naught equal 2 times, if this is 0, 360 degree 0, 90 by 3 is 30. You can write cos 30 plus I sin 30 degree equal 2 times cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus I 1 by 2, that is sin 30. Simply 2 to cancel, root 3 plus I. And then you have to find the next z1 equal 2 times if 360